What if I told you that in 2026, AI isn't just helping people work faster, it's replacing entire full-time jobs? Not in the future. Not, maybe, it's happening right now. And here's what makes this scary and exciting. Most people are still thinking AI is just ChatGPT and a few tools. But a small group of people are using AI to do the work of marketers, customer support, analysts, video editors, even sales assistants. In this video, I'll break down 5 AI tools that are replacing full-time jobs in 2026, and I'll explain what each tool does, which jobs are most at risk, and how you can use these tools to protect your income, or even build a new one. Let's get into it. Welcome to TechMoneyAI, where we talk about AI, money, investing, and the future of work without hype. If you want to stay ahead of trends and make smarter decisions with technology, subscribe and turn on notifications. And remember, invest better with the power of AI. As it replaces multiple roles on its own, let's start with tool number 1, because this one alone replaces numerous roles. Tool number 1. GPT-5, Business Operations and Content Workhorse. The first tool is GPT-5. And in 2026, it's basically a multi-skilled employee. It can replace tasks done by junior copywriters, customer support agents, researchers, assistants, basic analysts. What GPT-5 can do extremely well: write emails, proposals, and scripts, create marketing content, summarize documents and reports, draft customer replies, generate product descriptions, build simple plans and SOPs. Why it replaces jobs? Because companies don't hire a beginner writer anymore. They hire one manager plus AI. If you're smart, you don't fear GPT-5. You use it to become 2 to 3x more valuable. Tool number 2. AI video creation tools, editors and creators. The second category replacing jobs is AI video tools, and they are destroying the need for traditional editing teams. These tools can turn scripts into videos, add stock footage automatically, generate captions, create voiceovers, cut content into shorts. Jobs impacted: basic video editors, social media managers, content repurposers. Why it matters? Video is the highest attention format in 2026, and AI makes it scalable. So instead of paying someone for 10 hours of editing, businesses pay for 1. Strategy, 2. Storytelling, 3. Distribution. The clicking and cutting is being automated. Tool number 3. AI design tools, graphic design replacement. They're replacing huge parts of graphic design work. AI design tools now handle thumbnails, banners, ad creatives, social media templates, product mockups. Jobs impacted: entry-level designers, thumbnail designers, basic branding assistants. But here's the truth. Design isn't dying, low-skill design work is. The new value is branding direction, consistency, conversion thinking, marketing psychology, If you understand what makes people click, AI becomes your design team. Tool number 4. AI automation tools, virtual assistants and admin roles. This tool replaces the classic virtual assistant role. These tools automate scheduling, email sorting, content workflows, lead capture plus follow-ups, posting plus reminders, basic customer onboarding, jobs impacted, admin assistance, basic operations roles, manual data entry workers. In 2026, the companies that win are the ones that build systems. If you can combine AI plus automation, you become extremely valuable, because you help businesses save time and payroll. Tool number 5. AI research and market tools, analysts and research roles. These tools can summarize earnings reports, compare companies, scan news, track sentiment, identify macro trends, spot early signals, jobs impacted, junior analysts, research assistants, basic market researchers. This is huge in investing because speed and clarity matter. But again, AI doesn't replace wisdom. It replaces slow manual research. The winners are the ones who use AI to think better, verify faster, reduce mistakes. That's how you invest better with the power of AI. Reality check. Let's be honest. AI will replace jobs, but it will also create opportunities. The people who lose are the ones who say, AI is taking everything. The people who win say, how can I use AI to become more valuable? In 2026, the safe skills are strategy, creativity, communication, decision-making, risk management, execution. I can do tasks. Humans still drive outcomes. Conclusion. So those are the 5 AI tools replacing full-time jobs in 2026. GPT-5, AI video creation, AI design tools, AI automation tools, AI research and market tools. If you want, I can make a follow-up video on the 5 jobs that will grow because of AI in 2026, or how to make money using these AI tools as a side hustle. Comment, AI jobs, if you want that next. And don't forget to subscribe to TechMoneyAI, because we help you invest better with the power of AI.